if you see this video, that probably means you're having troubles with your Honda GX 160, 120, or 200 engine. And you are probably wondering about the valve assembly and what is wrong with it. There is a picture online that you can see and go look up how this whole engine is actually basically put together. But since you went to YouTube, you want to see how this is really put together. If you ever take this head off and you see a little dot that falls out, that little dot is right here. It is called the valve rotator. It goes on the exhaust valve. This is your intake valve. And to get this whole thing off, you need to take off 4 bolts. Right here, 1 head bolt, 2 head bolt, and inside here is 3 head bolts and 4 head bolts. To get to these 2 head bolts, you need to take this valve cover off. Be sure to not rip this gasket. In my case, I don't want to because I don't have a replacement at this time. And the whole thing is assembled by the way, down here, when you pull this off, 2 push rods will come with it. And those can be removed by, see the push rods right here? Those can be removed by sliding over here and then coming down. Same with this side. And those just come out with it because they're locked into here. Those will come out of the engine, and that's how that's done. So yeah, if you're ever having trouble trying to figure out how to assemble this, there you go. I hope I helped you.